How to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to cancel a subscription from Apple or a subscription that you purchased with an app from the App Store, then go ahead and firstly launch the settings application on your device and make sure you are signed in to your Apple ID, and now tap on your name on the top of your screen. You will further see the option for subscriptions. Tap on that. You will then see all your subscriptions in the interface that you will be led to. Simply tap on the cancel subscription option. You might need to scroll down to find the cancel subscription button. If there is no cancel button or you see an expiration message in red text, the subscription is already cancelled. So, this is how you can cancel subscriptions on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.